Get ready with me using liquid and cream products. Products I'm using with details in the description below. First, Concealing Any Blemishes. Gently dab and blend with fingers, concealing underneath my eyes and dark circles. Nose and upper brow area. Foundation for anywhere that's not concealed. Bronzer for contouring. A little goes a long way. Start blending. Dabbing small amounts of blush. Blending. Now highlighting above my cheekbone, upper lip and nose. Using a shadow stick for my eyes. And blend with your fingers. Then using setting spray on a beauty blender and blend. Apply translucent powder all over so it's not sticky. And little more blush just because. Using a spoolie, brush brows. With a brow pomade, filling in brows. Brush to blend. And repeat. Then start curling your eyelashes. This was hard to show on camera, but then mascara. Bottom lashes too. Then grab your favorite lip combo. Lip hack, Aquaphor, make your lips look bigger. And we're done. Comment what you think and subscribe.